Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to replace the headlight lamp, the bulb itself. So first thing what you want to do is open the hood. And this truck is Dodge Ram. This one's V8 1500, but I'm sure they're similar this kind of year. How to replace the bulb. Bulb will be right in here, right there. So to change the light bulb, this gray plastic thing, you have to twist it just like that, and that's loose, and then you just pull on it and that comes out just like that. So once that comes out, you have this, you can take a screwdriver or something to pry this up right here. Let's see. Yeah, just pry on this. Just like that. And then when you get a new bulb, I already changed mine. This is a new one. So you take this one off. To take it off, you just match it up right here. See, just like that, and that's supposed to slide off. It's these right here for these. And then when the new one, you install it. Once it's with the bulb, you go in there and you just line it up and twist it just this much. So let's say you put a new one just like that. Make sure you slide it in so it's inside here, and just kind of twist it so it stays there. That way it doesn't go back. And then you plug it in this thing first, just like this, and then you just slide it in. Make sure it clicks. And just like that right there. So it doesn't come out. Once this is done, make sure the plastic is inside here, and then you have right here your on off right there. So take off, on. So what you want to do is line it up. So first you want to push that in. Once it's pushed in, then you take this one, line it up, and that's supposed to lock it right there. Off, lock, and then when you pull on it, it's tight right there. So yeah, don't forget, make sure this one's tight and everything tight, and then double check your lights. And this will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That'll help me a bunch. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.